thing. The first thing we want to talk about is an overall sort of purview of epithelial tissue. And we know that it is prominent in forming a barrier. I call it the barrier extraordinaire because it really is. It's not just about sort of safeguarding our body, but it also regulates what enters in and exits. So it's like border control almost. Also, it absorbs nutrients and can block harmful pathogens. So see, there's a lot more going on. And of course, a unique feature of this type of tissue that it has the regeneration ability, right? It's able to regenerate super fast. Like think about when you have a scratch or a wound and how quickly things heal and form, right? So this is definitely a unique quality of epithelial tissues. But the other thing I wanted to mention is that, we think of epithelia as forming boundaries, but often we may think of it just from the outside world. And it's not just the outside environment that it's creating the boundary for, it's actually doing it internally, right? Otherwise, our organs would be a big hodgepodge in our body, right? So epithelial tissue also compartmentalizes a lot of our organs, enabling us to really monitor what comes in and what comes out of each organ. Due to their specific needs. So just a lot of aspects of epithelial tissue that we may not often think about, but their role is quite profound and vast. All right. Well, yes, there are different types of epithelial tissue, right? Obviously, and this probably just makes sense to you anyway. The epithelial tissue you have on your skin is going to look very different than what's in your glands versus what's in your GI tract, reproductive system, and blood, right? There's different epithelia there. And then, of course, your